Hello and welcome to Saki Tech. So in today's video I will show you guys how to use Windows 7 backup and restore utility. Now if you have a computer and it is loaded with your documents, your pictures and your videos as well as your installed programs, you do not want to lose any of those things. Now if your hard drive fails out of nowhere or your computer just decides to blow up, then you will lose everything. So to prevent this from happening, to prevent this loss, you must back up your data. Windows 7 Backup and Restore lets you back up your data in two ways. They are very, very different two ways. Number one, you can back up an entire system image, which includes your operating system, everything in it including the programs you installed and all your files and folders. It is pretty much a complete copy of your Windows 7 hard disk. The second way of backing up and restoring is where you can back up specific files and folders and selectively recover them later. So if you want to back up your pictures folder only or your videos folder only or both, you can do that as well, but you won't be able to restore your operating system. In this video today I'm going to show you both ways, so let's launch our system utility and start this process. Okay, so I'm going to attempt to show you guys how to back up both the system image and the selective backup in one go. So the first thing you want to do is you want to launch the utility. So click Start and type in Backup and Restore. Press the program that pops up. And then if you have never done this before, this is not the screen you will see. You will see a screen and on the top here it's going to say Setup Backup Now. And once you click that button, you're going to get the same screen that I am about to get by clicking the Change Settings button right here. So let me click this. And this is exactly what you will see even if you're doing this for the first time. Now once this launches, you will see the list of all the hard drives that are connected to your computer, excluding the hard drive that your operating system is installed on, because you cannot back up to the same volume that you're trying to back up. Okay, so I have a flash drive, a backup drive. This is just a 1 terabytes external hard drive that I purchased, and I have another one. This one just has my videos, pictures and stuff like that on it. So obviously the backup drive is the one that I'm going to use. Now if you have Windows 7 Professional or above, you do have the option to save on a network. I'm not going to go into any details regarding that because we just want to do a backup on an external hard drive, which is the best way to do it for the end user or for the average user. So let's click the backup and click next. Okay, so here you get the option to let the Windows choose what to back up, or you can choose it yourself. If you do it Windows, you can just click this link here and it will tell you exactly what it is backing up. If you go to let me choose, you can pick and select. That is always a better option. So let's do that for now and click next. Okay, so here is the list of the things that I could back up. Now Zeus is my main user on this computer, so all this is my pictures, my videos and my music. So I can select all these to be backed up, and if I'm going to create any users in the future, I can have them backed up as well, their user profiles, their documents and their settings and all that stuff. I can additionally choose to back up things on my C drive, which contains the program files and such. So I'm just gonna leave that alone for now and go down here. Look at this. It says include a system image of drives, system C. So if I wanted to create a system image that would back up the entire computer, I could do it by clicking this button right here. In my case, I cannot click it because the hard drive that I'm trying to back it up to is formatted in the FAT32 file system, not NTFS. I would have to go to my computer, choose my hard drive, my external hard drive. In fact, let me show it to you. Start my computer, and here's the backup drive. Right click properties, and it's a FAT32. I can convert this to an NTFS system, and then I can actually back up system images. So if you ever cannot click this, you know why. Just convert your hard drive, your external backup hard drive, from a FAT32 to an NTFS file system, and you would be able to back up an entire system image. That is like copying your whole computer. So if your computer blows up, you still have that external hard drive that you can connect to another computer and just recover everything that you had, including the operating system, including all the program files, including all the videos, pictures, music, everything. But in this case, we're just doing a selective backup where I am picking up what I want to back up. In fact, I don't want to back up the documents or the music or the pictures or these. I'm just going to do videos. And I'm not going to do the C. And then I'm going to click next. And here you get a summary of what is happening today. So the backup location is the backup image. The backup hard drive. The backup summary is that I'm only doing the videos. And you can also pick up a schedule. So it says here on demand, if you click change schedule, you can actually choose to do the backup daily, weekly, monthly. So let's pick monthly. On the 20th at 11 p.m. So every month on the 20th at 11 p.m. the backup will run automatically. And a lot of people do this when they're asleep. So if you go to sleep at midnight, you can set it up to run at midnight, so you don't have to worry about it while it's happening. So click OK, save settings, and exit. And then if you did this for the first time, the backup would have started by now. In my case, I would have to click the backup now button and it will start that way. So let's click backup now. And as you can see, the backup is now in progress. The files are being saved to my external hard drive called backup, which is right here. Start my computer, the backup drive. If I go in it right now, you'll see the Zeus PC and a couple other files. All these files are being created by the backup utility. Okay, so I'll be back when this backup is close to completion to show you how to restore files. Okay, so the backup is now complete. Now I'm going to show you how to restore files. So let's just go to the folder that I had backed up. And you remember it was my videos library right here. I'm going to go into Camtasia projects, and let's assume that I accidentally deleted this important file. So delete this file, close the folder, and remove it from the recycle bin. So oops, now that file is gone. But since I know that I have a backup, I can go and restore that file individually. So all you do is launch your backup and restore utility, click restore my files, and browse for files. When you click browse for files, your backup will show up here automatically. And I knew that my video that I deleted by accident was in the Zeus's backup folder. So go there, and here's my videos library. Go in there, and here's my Camtasia projects folder in which the file was, which got deleted. So go in there, and there is the file. All I have to do is choose the file, click add files, and click next at the bottom, and I'll pick in the original location. The question is, where do you want to restore your file? You can restore it anywhere, on your desktop, in your documents folder, but I want to put it back in the original location. So click restore, and your files have been restored. You're done. Now if you had 1,000 files here, it's going to take a while, but I only have one video file, so I'm fine. It took a second and I'm done. So click finish, and let's go back to that videos folder. Start, Zeus, videos library, Camtasia projects, and here's the file. The file that we had deleted by accident is back. So that is the beauty of backing up your files, because you can restore them if you delete them by accident. So this brings us to the end of this video. If you guys have any questions or concerns, post them at the comments section below. Subscribe to the channel if you liked this video, and also click the like button if you liked this video. And thank you very much for watching. Have a good day, guys.